Good morning, students. Today I will explain you poem 9 Gold Medals. And this poem is written by David Roth. Now David Roth is an American poet, singer, songwriter, recording artist. In this poem, 9 Gold Medals, he has focused on more on the cooperation and collaboration rather than competition. So stanza wise I will explain you this poem. Now in this poem, David Roth is talking about the Special Olympics. Why it is called Special Olympics? Because 9 disabled contestants are going to take part in this Olympic Games. And event is 100-meter race. Let me start with the first stanza. Now the athletes have come from many countries to take part in this Special Olympics to win gold, silver or bronze, and they have done practice for the number of weeks and months in a year to win the position. Next, all the field spectators, those who are watching the match, they have gathered and they are cheering the young man and woman. And finally the race begins when the pistol fire shot is made and they start running. But what happened then? Suddenly one of the weak contestants fell on the track and he starts crying. He starts in crying because he has come in this Olympic Games to get nothing, because he has worked for many weeks and months to get some gold, silver or bronze. But what happened next? Instead of other 8 participants moving toward the final point, they stopped the race, they came back and they helped that fallen athlete. They encouraged him, and then all together, by putting their arms together, they ran toward the final point. And after this, the Olympic Games committee decided that they will give 9 gold medals to all the participants, not for the competition but for having the spirit of true sportsmanship and cooperation. Next, themes are empathy and true sportsmanship. Empathy means an ability to understand another person's feeling from his point of view. So in this poem, how the other 8 athletes helped, they have judged how that fallen athlete is feeling, so that is the part of the empathy. And true sportsmanship is recognized and rewarded in this poem because due to their cooperation, all of them got the gold medals. Let me assign you the homework. In this, from the workbook, you have to write all the passage answers, and assignments are given, that also you have to write on the workbook. Thanks.